I've started planning that I would start a Kurumi collection over there in my inner cabinet. So if I video it, I get loads of views and subscribers too. But first, my mom said I can collect Kurumi collections, figures in that cabinet if I have my own money. So I will save it through the next month. And I wish it will be much better than 14 that I have earned today. So please subscribe so I can get Kurumi figures. I will buy a single one and a blind bag, wallpaper, and a shelf, a little shelf, and maybe lots of Kurumi figures